Bridge is included in the supply contract of Sintonion Philippines na nag-handle ng construction na to. The project that started on January 10, 2011 was completed on March 14, 2012.
Actually, our role here was to manage the whole implementation of the project with DPWH being funded by the Spanish government. The project, was funded through a mixed loan with the Spanish government. Actually, it consisted in a portion of export credit and the other portion of a pure ODA loan granted by the Spanish government with very advantageous conditions, such as a total repayment period of 30 years, with a grade of 15 and an interest rate as low as 0.3%.
Construction ng tulay na to is among the 91 bridges under the project package. Kaya lang po, ang construction ng tulay na to na Mompong is included in their contract as the pilot bridge. Then 47 under consignment 1, 47 bridges are located to nationwide to other regions.
Yes, this is our standard modular steel truss bridge. Actually, this is a very advantageous bridge for locations like this one because it's very simple to install, to maintain, and well, the durability we always estimate it in 50 years, but the reality is that the actual life of the bridge should well exceed.
Kung wala pa ang bridge dito, pag nabaha, takot kami sa mga baha dahil madaling masira. Pag kami naghahakot kami ng mga supplies ng pagkain ng bilanggo, hindi kami basta-basta makatawid na stock. Unlike now, na kahit tag-ulan, nakakatawid, so hindi ako na sa pagkain ng bilanggo. Pangalawa, hindi maiwasan na magkakaroon ng sakit ang bilanggo. Isa pa rin ito, malaking tulong dahil diretso na ang biyahe namin pagdala ng pasyente namin sa ospital, halimbawa sa Mamburao, sa Sablayan.
Mahirap ito noon, hindi ka karakarakan makatawid dito sa tulay na ito. Lalo na ko yung malakas ang ulan, kalimitan, madulas, laging baha. Pag bumabaha, ayun ang nagiging problema. Gusto man namin makatawid antemano, lalo nang gagaling sa gawing San Jose na yan, mahirap. Nang gagaling sa gawing Mamburao na yan, mahirap talaga.
Well, of course, during the design of the bridge, there is a hydraulic and hydrological study, and based on that, we decided we had to elevate quite a lot the bridge from the height of the previous bridge, which was normally overtopped when there is a ice flood, which actually in this area is quite common during the rainy season. So now it's very safe for any people crossing the bridge.
Ang mensahe ko po sana ay mga tulay pang mga ibang gagawin dito ay ipagpatuloy ang mga tulay na gagawin dito para diretsuhan San Jose hanggang Mamburao.